tornado outbreak. There are no reports of any deaths or serious injuries. Overnight rains led to flash flooding in North Texas, where people had to be airlifted from their homes and vehicles. In Iowa, straight-line winds blew a cargo train onto its side. A soggy send-off for George Washington University's class of 2015. They had to break out the umbrellas once the rain started up on the National Mall this morning. Apple CEO Tim Cook delivered the keynote address and received an honorary doctorate degree. More than 25,000 people attended the ceremony, including 6,000 students. And I guess you can take credit for preparing all those folks to have their umbrellas at graduation.
If you did, it looks like they did. And we actually had one of George Washington's upper level in the offices tweet that out and said thanks for the forecast. So hopefully everybody, it looks like a lot of people were prepared for some of those showers. That helped to put some humidity in place, and we're under a chance for showers and storms right now. So we're watching just west as opposed to yesterday where the storms fired up about early mid-afternoon, rolled through right around evening. We're watching now the storms that have been well west more of the day. Now they're starting to come closer, and with the heat, the humidity that's here, that could blossom into more numerous storms through the evening time frame here. Well, that'd be over about the 9 o'clock hour, even now through about that time. It sunsets just after 8. Stormwatch 7 live Dopplers. We head to the Shenandoah Valley. We'll watch closely. Front Royal 66 to 81 junction north of Harrisonburg. A little cluster of thunderstorm activity there. Indications and forecasts come in unison with showing that there's the potential of that next 2 to 3 hour span that we could blossom into more storms. And we'll keep a very close eye here in the ABC 7 Weather Department to do that for you. And if anything would become severe or even strong, we'll break it in as necessary to let you know about it. Real-time temps still 80s. We're getting closer to a sunset hour. That sun that's been up with morning cloud cover and that little bit of rain we just showed. It's a hot and humid day. In fact, when you figure in the heat and humidity together, what it actually feels to you is closer to 90 in Washington, Fredericksburg 90 at one point. Luray, it felt like it was 91 today. So very high humidity. Been hearing for several on Twitter and Facebook how high this humidity is, where, hey, shouldn't we just be celebrating 4th of July at this time instead of starting off spring? 86 real-time temp comparison, heat and humidity all the way into the Midwest to the plains. Look at South Dakota, though. Pierre, South Dakota's at 46 degrees. Yes, a drastic change in temperatures, a huge cool down from a very strong cold front, and the strength of the overall system still a ways away, in fact 2 days away. Heat and humidity in place. Expect tomorrow a day that could be like Saturday, very hot and humid, near 90 again. That could spark more numerous showers and storms. Afternoon, evening might be in the middle of the evening rush. Eventually Tuesday, the front's through. The timing of the front really determines your storm chances then, but eventually cooler, drier air comes in. We'll watch for storms through this evening, but we go towards tomorrow morning. It's another very humid start. Instead of a light jacket and staying warm in the morning time frame, it's more about trying to keep cool by afternoon. Could spark more numerous showers and storms coming in by Monday afternoon. Hot. Temperatures could be closer to 90 tomorrow, just as we had yesterday to start off the weekend. We go to Tuesday, and here's that cold front that'll be closing in. Could spark a possible shower or storm. Whether that front's through earlier, temperatures might be a little bit cooler, only lower to mid-80s. If that front comes through 4 to 6, we're still looking to come in to at least a chance of storms that would be mid to upper 80s. So still likeliest rain day tomorrow. Still some other effects that I didn't even show you in the forecast. What we call a backdoor front could aid in. That's a cold front weak kind of coming the northeast, coming into the heat and humidity. So showers and storms, hot and humid, but eventually middle to end of the week looks beautiful. Right back into spring and May weather. High temperatures right back lower to mid 70s, and the humidity goes away.
Oh, I like the sound of that. Have you heard of the Big Sheriff?
I have, yeah, he's a big dude.
Okay, all right.
He's massive.
Yeah,
massive. He shouldn't be
Living up
playing
to the
anything.
name.
Exactly. Well, we've seen Big Brandon Sheriff in action.